In Taiwan, judges, not jurors, decide the outcome of cases, and this has led to much overtime and heavy workloads for judges and clerks. To alleviate the problem, an artificial intelligence program has been developed to assist with drafting court rulings. A trial run will be implemented as soon as late next month.
法官点选制度生成之后，会出现选单，这选单是让法官可以再做进一步去点选是否要变更条件。
As an assistant explains, for this particular case, if the judge clicks on the option of automatic generation, a draft ruling will immediately come out. This is nothing short of a revolution in Taiwan's judicial system. In the future, judges will be able to get an AI-generated ruling and see their workload greatly reduced.
Basically, the system is designed to assist the judge, so after the AI generates a ruling, the judge should still do a check, a proofreading, and then make any necessary corrections.
Take criminal court judges as an example. Each judge has an average of 60 cases to process every month. With an AI-generated ruling, the time to write a draft is greatly reduced. In the future, DUI cases, which take up a quarter of criminal cases, and identity fraud cases, which are mostly straightforward, will be given to AI for a ruling. The ruling will include guilty or not guilty, confession or denial, and the relevant applicable laws. The AI will produce the body of the ruling, the sentence, all the facts, reasoning, as well as the relevant regulations. The judge can then tweak the content, and the case can be closed if no further corrections are needed.
If we allow AI to automatically come up with a ruling, are we changing the essence of these trials? And will the judge lose the freedom to evaluate evidence? This is something that we should keep an eye on. A judge's human sentiment is not always the highest influential factor in a trial process, but in an AI-generated verdict, the human sentiment is completely absent.
It is this fear of AI being too standardized and inhuman that most lawyers are skeptical about when it comes to this judicial reform. A trial run will begin by the end of September. The AI adjudication system will first be used in DUI cases and aiding and abetting in fraud cases. Drug cases are expected to be included by the end of the year. Next year, the scope will be farther expanded to include road accident compensation cases and debt clearance cases. Whether the general public can accept rulings by machine is something that remains to be seen.